Hey everybody, it's John Thomas. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking on the video today. Today I thought I would just take you along with me. I've got a couple errands to run to IKEA. I need a shower curtain, shower rod, and a couple of new rugs for the apartment. Also gonna possibly swing by Tim Hortons. I have never heard of Tim Hortons until China. They're a Canadian fast food place that makes donuts and coffee. I feel like I should do a dismount. If you're new here, my name is John and I am an expat from the United States living abroad here in China, sharing my adventures here on YouTube. If that is something that interests you, then consider subscribing. All right, let's get going with the day. Before I head to IKEA, I'm gonna stop at the local market we have downstairs to pick up a couple of vegetables, maybe some peppers for some food this week. I've really been craving like a fajita type meal. So I have chicken that I cook in the air fryer, and I want some like bell peppers, maybe something a little bit spicy, and whatever else we can find. I've got my Trader Joe's bag here, my reusable bag, so we're gonna bring that with us as well. And let's head to the market. So there's also like fresh fish over here. Oh, you can't see it. So much fresh fish, tons of fresh meat, and then obviously fresh vegetables. I love this little market. All right, the market's complete. I'll show you when we get home. Just a couple things, but some good deals.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
Let me show you what I got from the market. I ended up with this pepper that I think I took video of, but I just love that color, and I think it's gonna add a little bit of kick to whatever I put it in. I also ended up with some bell peppers here, a red one. Looks so nice. And a yellow one. They look great. They're perfectly packaged. I'm gonna put them in my bowl here. And then I also snagged an onion. So that'll be helpful for the fajitas. And I was able to get my hands on a whole thing of blueberries. Everything I just showed you was 10 RMB except for the blueberries. This was 59 RMB, which I buy a little package in the grocery store, and it is roughly around 40 RMB. So this is a huge deal. I mean, look at all these. I could just eat. I should probably wash them, but oh my gosh, they're so good. All right. I'm gonna put these in the fridge, and then we gotta go to IKEA. IKEA is beyond empty this morning. It's a Saturday morning, I can't believe it. We're gonna try to get stuff done before it gets too busy. I called this video a day in my life in China without friends because, quite frankly, I spend my entire week with people at work. And I thought that it would be fun just to kind of hang out on my own today and get stuff for my new apartment, as well as try a new restaurant and just kind of hang out. Made it.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the rivers and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Well, that Christmas area was totally disappointing. That was so sad. Finished at IKEA. I did get some cool Christmas decorations that I'll show you later. But now it's time to head to Tim Hortons, Canadians' favorite. I do have a lot of viewers from Canada, so if you've been to Tim Hortons in Canada, you'll have to let me know if this measures up. But I'm so excited to give it a shot today. My food's arrived. I have the chicken basil sandwich here. I've got these Timbits that I'm dying to try. And then I have my iced Americano. So I'm a huge Starbucks fan, so let's give this coffee a try. Let me take this off first. See how good this is. Definitely not as strong as Starbucks, but it's good. So you don't get to choose your Timbits, you just get to choose that you want a box of the Timbits. This is what they look like. I'm not sure what each one is, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's try this one. Looks like it's got like strawberry goodness on it. Oh yeah. It's got like a strawberry cream in it with dried strawberries on top with some white chocolate. Amazing. That's good. All right, let's take a look at this sandwich. It's got cheese and bacon, and it's very hot. And I need a napkin. Let me go get a napkin. Found the napkins. The sun is glaring right in on me. Okay. This is very hot. Oh, it's dripping. Do you see it? Juicy goodness. Please don't drip on my clothes. Okay. That's really good. The cheese is the one that's dripping. But maybe it's the oil from the pesto. Definitely taste pesto. The melted cheese, the bacon. This is a really good sandwich. All right, let's give another one of these a try. This looks like it's a Tinbit covered in cereal and white chocolate. Yeah, and it's got like a cream in it. This one's really good too. It's almost a little salty. So overall, the sandwich I'd probably give maybe a 7 out of 10. It's good, but it's not like wow me away. And then the donuts I'd probably give like a 5 out of 10. The flavors are really interesting and cool, but they don't seem fresh. And they're not like hot out of the oven donuts like I would expect in a like donut place. So that's a little disappointing. I don't know if that's the way Tim's is though in Canada or not. Tim's in Canada, do you have like these type of sandwiches? And is your food fake in the front of the store? That's so unusual to me. Usually it's like the fresh food. Like Starbucks, you see it's fresh. Here it's like all modeled. It's not real. Is that something is at every Tim Hortons? Let me know in the comments down below. It is the next morning. I have finished putting up my Christmas decorations. Yesterday got away from me and had to focus on some other things, so I wasn't able to vlog the rest of the day, but was able to get my Christmas tree up with the star at the top that I got at IKEA, as well as the little Christmas trees with the little ornaments on them. That was really fun. And my shower curtain I was able to put up as well. I hope you enjoyed this little day in my life, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.